Okay, good morning guys. I'm back again, and this time around I want us to look at using INSHOT to deal with the watermark in a more precise and creative way. And we are going to be using a simple green screen technique, usually called chroma key in professional video parlance. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So first of all, let me show you the footage we're going to be working on. I'm going to select new. Okay, I'm going to be working on this footage here. You can see the watermark is there. That's what we are going to be working on. And then when I was done, this is how it looked like. I would say that is almost 95% removal. So let's get to work. What we're going to do, let's load that video that we're working on. Load it first. Just follow these steps, very simple steps. First and foremost, you are going to use text, select the text tool here, select the text tool. Okay, so just type in anything, just type whatever you type. You're going to make sure it's averagely the size. You can look at the box we have here. Try and estimate it, maybe the size that could cover the watermark. Maybe a size that could cover the watermark. So once you've done typing, change the color of the text. Change the color of the text to green. Search for green. You're going to use this particular shade of green here. This particular shade of green here. The second to the last shade of green. That's the one we are going to use. So we select it. Alright. Then you select the label. The label gives you the background color. So we select the label and then we choose the background color. Go to that same color, the same green, the same shade of green, this particular shade of green here. Excuse me, particular shade of green here. And voila, we have a green colored box that we're going to be using to cover the render forest watermark. Always in INSHOT, whatever you've done, you accept it by clicking the tick it right. Before you tick it right, remember how we did something here. Click here and select video to end. So it will run that clip to the end. Click this side and select video beginning. Okay, so you have it there. Now you click your. So what do we do now? We're going to resize it. You will resize it. Select text again. Then select what we are working on here. You can see it down here on top of the image you are working on. So select it. When it's selected, it's highlighted. Now pick the icon at this icon here and drag it to the preferred size. Drag it to the preferred size. Bring it to here. Check if it fits well. Drag it again, reduce it. To reduce it some more. Drag it, make sure it covers that watermark completely. We have it there, carefully covers it. So once you are done, you come to save. You're going to save it. Click on save. And I'll advise you use the higher resolution here, 1080, because we are going to be needing this footage as its highest possible quality. So let's get that done. Select save, and the project is saved. Let's wait for it to save. It's converting the video. Okay, it's done. So what you just do is just click on the save icon here. Click on the save icon here, and your video is saved. Okay, so once we are done with that, step back and then exit icon, and then select draft. Just save it as a draft, just in case you need to come back to it, and the draft is saved. So what do? We load INSHOT again. This time around, we are going to, just watch me. You select INSHOT again, a new draft, a new project. So what we're going to do right now, you select the original project again, which is this one, the one with the watermark. Select it again. Okay, come to look for flip. Scroll till you see flip towards the end here. Alright, flip it, select flip. You see it rotates the watermark. It moves it. It's like a mirror image. It moves it here. Okay, watch this. It's going to be fun. Just watch this. Now come back. Scroll back till you find PIP, which means picture in picture. Select it. Picture in picture. Select it. When you select the picture in picture, it will ask you to select a video. So you select the last video that you just did, the one you just covered the watermark with a green screen, a green patch. Select it, which is going to be the first one here. Select it. You can see we have that picture in there. Right? Okay. So we're going to pick the resize icon there. Pick the resize icon there and drag till you reach the edge of the screen. Drag out of the screen. So this gets tricky. This is where you're going to be a bit careful. So you drag it. Make sure. Are you seeing the red icons there that tell you that you've resized it properly? It tells you that you've gotten it. See the red bar at the right hand at the bottom of this clip. If I move it, you don't see it. If it clicks there, it clicks. So that should help you get the image exactly to cover that space. So it covers the former image completely. Okay, so you select it again. Now what you're going to do is we're going to now apply the effect that will do the final trick. This is the last stage. So you select your PIP. Anytime you want to edit a picture in picture, you just come in and select here. It's going to highlight it and bring it out. So select PIP, and then you're going to touch the one we are working on, which is this one. You touch it, and it selects. So scroll till you see chroma. Till you see chroma here. Select the chroma. Select the chroma. Alright. So this gets a bit technical, but it's easy. Move this color picker here. It's a color picker. Move it to where you have the green. Until you see, if I move it out, it has a normal color here. When it picks the color, it changes. The color picker changes to the color you want to remove. So leave it. Boom. And it keys out that color. It's called a chroma key. It keys out the green color and leaves the hole. That hole makes you now see the other end, what we did. So you're going to fine tune it. Come to strength here and work on it. You've seen that around the edges, you can see some green patches around the edge. So move this till those green patches are removed to a particular extent. Okay, I took it to 85 when I was test running this. So let me take it to 85. And then you select, you tick to accept changes you've made. Voila. So you play back and just confirm what you've done before you tick finally. Okay, so you're okay with what you've done. You tick accept, and then you save your work. Save your work. This time around, use the resolution you would love to use. I like using 720 because the footage was originally 720p from Render Forest. So, and then click save, and we are done. The project begins to save. Okay, let me play it. What am I going to play right now? Just want something I can just preview it quickly. Okay. All right, let's just play with the INSHOT, within INSHOT here. Go back, select it, go back again, save your draft. Then let's play it. It's going to be the first video here. See. You still have some little. That is just that. That is how to have a better way of removing it, the watermark, without having to type a text. To cover, you use the chroma key and then make it beautiful like that. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.